let's start with chapter number 9, Forest and Wildlife. In this chapter, we will study about different types of forest we have. We have tropical thorny vegetation, we have alpine forest, Himalayan forest. Now, India is world richest country in terms of vast area of biological diversity. 8% of total number of species जो है world की वो यहाँ मिलती है. The trees and plants in the forest grow on their own. The forests are natural vegetation, which is provided by nature, and the large area of land covered by trees and plants. जो large area है land का, which is covered by trees and plants, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Forest. Forests are useful to us in many ways. Like soil, forests are also an important natural resource. They provide us wood, timber, and which is used for houses, furniture, window doors. We get many other useful things such as resin, gums, lac, honey, and herbs. Forests are useful in protecting the soil from being eroded. Forests are gift of nature and they are called natural vegetation. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Natural vegetation कहते हैं. There are about 45,000 plant species and 75,000 animal species in India, and many of these species are facing danger. Now we have types of forest. The area under the forest in India has been describing as a cutting down trees, reclaim land. Less than 1/4 of the land is presently covered with forest, and there are 5 main types of forest. What are these? First is evergreen forest, जो hot and very wet parts of India, especially along the mountain slopes. Dense growth of trees with many creepers. And these trees do not shed their leaves. ये अपनी लीव्स को शेड नहीं करते हैं. They remain green throughout the year and they are called evergreen, like ebony, rosewood, sal or teak. They are found in abundance in this wood. और जो sandalwood और bamboo है, they are also grown here. Such evergreen forests are mostly found in areas of heavy rainfall like Andaman and Nicobar Island, Orissa, on the slopes of Western Ghats, on the hills of Northeast India. Then we have deciduous forests. They are also called monsoon forests. The trees of these forests have broad leaves which fall during summer season. Sal, teak, sesame and people, ये कुछ common trees हैं जो यहाँ मिलते हैं. And deciduous forests are mostly found in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Then we have dry forests which are found in area with little rainfall like oak, cactus, pikar, babul और prickly pear. The most part of Rajasthan है, जो ड्रायर पार्ट है प्लस पंजाब, गुजरात और मध्य प्रदेश का, ये क्या है? ड्राई फॉरेस्ट. देन वी हैव कॉनिफोरस फॉरेस्ट, जिसे हम माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट भी कहते हैं. कॉर्नी इनके कॉर्न्स होते हैं जिससे जो स्नो है वो इस पे रुके ना और नीचे स्लिप ऑफ हो जाए. दे आर फाउंड इन हायर स्लोप्स ऑफ हिमालय and in the Nilgiri hills in the south. These forests are mostly covered with tall and cone-shaped trees. इनकी मीडियल शेप लीव्स होती है. ये कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में ग्रो करते हैं. और सो मोस्ट कॉमन कॉनिफरस ट्री है वो आपके पाई, ओक, फिर स्प्रूस, डीडर और birch है. The wood of these trees are soft and they are used for making furniture. ये बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होती है और इन some furniture बना. Then we have tidal forest, which are found in the marshy land of Delta. ये commonly flooded by sea water और ये आपके मैंग्रोव और सुंदरई में मिलते हैं. Tidal forests in the delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra in the West Bengal are called Sundarban because क्यों कहा जाता है सुंदरबन? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको सुंदरी ट्री देखने को मिले. Now conservation of forest. The population of a country is increasing at very fast rate. It described to have 1/3 of the country in the forest, but unfortunately our country has only 1/4 of its area. So it is important to plant more trees to conserve our coast. The interdependence between animals and plants in an area is called ecosystem. When trees are cut down, ये हमारे ecosystem को disturb करते हैं, and plant absorb carbon dioxide given out by animals. In turn, what they give us? They give us oxygen for our survival. भाई plants क्या करेंगे? और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेंगे और हमें क्या देंगे? ऑक्सीजन देंगे. The top layer of the soil become loose. देखो जो टॉप, कोई पेड़ काट रहे हो तो जो टॉप सॉइल होती है थोड़ी लूज हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ डिफोरेस्ट एंड इट इज इजीली कैरीड अवे बाय विंड एंड वाटर. लैंडस्लाइड और जो फ्लड्स होते हैं ये फ्रीक्वेंट होते हैं इन डिफोरेस्टेटेड एरिया, and forests attract rainfall too. If we talk about CHIPCO movement, ठीक है, सुंदरलाल भगुना की, which aims at preserving our forest. It is called चिपको मूवमेंट बिकॉज जो पीपल थे विलेजर्स के, उन्होंने रिफ्यूज करा कि आप पेड़ मत काटो, उन्होंने ऐसे क्या करा, हक करा, ट्रीज को हक करा. एंड द पॉपुलर मूवमेंट टू इंकरेज प्लांटेशन ऑफ मोर ट्रीज इज वन महोत्सव एंड सोशल फॉरेस्ट. लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज आर प्लांटेड एवरी ईयर ड्यूरिंग प्रोग्राम. एंड द लेटेस्ट वो था जो इंकरेज करता है चिल्ड्रंस को एंड देयर पेरेंट्स को टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज एंड लुक आफ्टर. Then we have conservation of wildlife. India forest contain rich variety of wild animals: lion, elephant, rhinoceros, bear, crocodile, leopards, boris, snakes. They are some animals found in the forest. Our wildlife is facing acute danger of exhibition because of hunting of animal of our pleasure. The rich wildlife of India needs to be protected from these greedy hunters, and our government has declared certain forests as protected areas. देखा होगा कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ एरियाज को, ये क्या है, हमारे प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया, ठीक है, पेरियार हो गया, आपके कान्हा नेशनल पार्क हो गए, सब क्या है आपके प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया. अकॉर्डिंग टू रिपोर्ट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया, मध्य प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, ये फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और थर्ड स्टैंड होता है एज द हाईएस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट. Then we have the protected area are called reserve and wildlife sanctuary, and there are more than 150 sanctuaries in India. Tourists from all over the world visit here. And the most famous sanctuaries are Kaziranga National Park, जो असम में है, जिम कॉर्बेट जो उत्तराखंड में, गिर गुजरात में, कान्हा नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश में, पेरियार केरला में, एंड द लार्जेस्ट सेंचुरी जो आपकी वेस्ट बंगाल में है, उसको हम सुंदरबन कहते हैं, क्योंकि एक ये जो सेंचुरी है ये किस पे फेमस है, बंगाल टाइम. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.